custom construction is laborious, it's slow. There's no reason we should design the same thing new each time. If you had to personally design your car or a pair of shoes, it'd be outrageously expensive and slow. And there's no reason to do that for our buildings.
So when I describe my company, Project Frog, I describe it as a building company that's kind of based along the philosophies of IKEA. Instead of shipping 3D, we do everything flat packed. That really allows us to be more efficient with our shipping and way more flexible with our design.
Yeah, we take a integrated and very holistic approach. We can really deliver highly sustainable, high-performing product at a lower, very competitive cost.
Our business model is to focus on the design, integration, and engineering components to make up a full building. We deliberately don't have our own manufacturing facilities. We like to be independent of that so we can select from the best technologies and components out there on the market. And at any time when we find something better, we can upgrade the kit to do that.
Konarka is very excited about working with Project Frog because, again, you're talking about this very complex supply chain there, stodgy, old-school supply chain in the construction business, and forward-thinking design builders such as Project Frog are ideal for a young startup technology firm like Konarka to try to educate that marketplace and figure out the most cost-effective way to integrate our technology into buildings.
We believe a lot in modularity, and when we saw Project Frog, it absolutely fit with where we felt the market was going.
Project Frog and Integral have been working together on figuring out how to design heating and cooling systems, electrical lighting systems, and plumbing systems that use less energy, that deliver better comfort in the building, better air quality, and do it in a way that's very cost-effective, fast, and works very well.
We like Project Frog buildings. They are unique. They are an advancement in the building process, I think, that we are starting to see more and more of.
The air was clean, the daylight, the wood looked great and felt great. It just had this feeling of a green building.
It all starts with the fact that I want good indoor air quality, I want great acoustics, and I want an abundance of natural daylight.
When I first walked through a Project Frog building, I wanted one. I wanted to get on the rooftop and shout, "Hey, these guys figured it out."
When Frog arrives in the room and when the concept of what you guys arrive with that aspect of you didn't bring any extra baggage, you didn't bring any unnecessary design, you didn't bring 1 ounce of materials, you didn't bring 2 watts, 3 BTUs or therms. The way you guys design, configure, and the way you thoughtfully position the aspect of your product is the way everything should be designed.
When you explain it that it's a pre-engineered system, it totally changes their thought process, particularly when you tell them that you could open their facilities sooner and they know that they can make money sooner. They start listening to you right away.
Low cost, high performance, fast, healthy. What's not to like?
I feel like we're starting with a blank piece of paper and saying, let's do it right this time.
I think Project Frog is just at the very beginning of a big future. With the Frog system, particularly with the energy efficiency and the modeling that you bring to the table and the adaptation of the architecture for the local area, I think it's a home run.
Everything's a drive towards efficiency and saving money today. And the great thing about green is that, carbon's a big deal. And so if we save energy, we save carbon, that's great for the environment too.
You're in the space of possibility. It's only going to get better.
I love what you guys are doing, really, I do.